In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Xero invoices. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to check invoices in every stage of their journey, so you can stay on top of what's being drafted, what needs approval, what's due, what's been paid, and which invoices repeat automatically. Start on your Xero dashboard and open the sales area. This is the home base for your customer billing. From there, choose Invoices. That takes you to the Invoices hub, where everything is organized into clear tabs. Think of this page as your control panel for tracking invoice progress. Begin with the Draft tab. Drafts are invoices you've started but haven't submitted for approval yet. It's the perfect place to review details before anything is finalized. Double-check item descriptions, quantities, account codes, and tax settings. If something looks off, drafts are easy to adjust because they're not yet locked in your accounts receivable. Next, move to the Awaiting Approval tab. Here, you'll see invoices that have been prepared and sent for sign-off. If your organization uses approvals, this view helps you confirm what's pending and who might need to take action. It's a great checkpoint to ensure nothing stalls before it becomes billable. Shift to Awaiting Payment. This is your live list of money owed. Use this tab to keep an eye on due dates, amounts outstanding, and which customers might need a nudge. It's helpful to sort by due date so the most urgent items rise to the top. If a payment comes in, you'll typically see updates flow through once the transaction is reconciled. When an invoice is settled, it moves to the Paid tab. This view is your record of completed sales, making it handy for month-end reviews, audit support, or confirming a customer's balance history. It's also useful when you want to quickly reference what worked well on past invoices without reopening drafts. Finally, check the Repeating tab. Repeating invoices are templates that bill customers on a schedule, weekly, monthly, or another cadence you've set. This section helps you confirm what's queued to go out automatically, which saves time and provides predictable revenue tracking. As you browse any of these tabs, use the on-screen search and filters to narrow results by contact, date, or other criteria, and sort columns to surface the most relevant invoices first. That's it. Now you know exactly where to view invoices across every stage in Xero.